Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video I am going to focusing on a crucial component of heavy construction machinery, and that one is boost pressure sensor. So let's break down what it is and how it works and why it is crucial for your equipment's performance. So viewers, first we talk about what is boost pressure sensor. A boost pressure sensor, often referred to as a manifold absolute pressure sensor, monitors the pressure within the engine's intake manifold. In heavy machinery, this information is essential for optimal engines management. So now we talk about how does it work. So how does this sensor actually works? The boost pressure sensor measures the pressure and sends this data to engine control unit or ECU. This enables the ECU to adjust fuel delivery and air intake. This ensures efficient engine performance, especially under heavy load, which is common in construction work. Now we talk about why boost pressure sensor importance in heavy machinery. Why boost pressure sensor so critical in heavy construction machinery? A malfunctioning sensor can lead to decreased engine efficiency, increased emission, and potential engine damage. By providing real-time pressure data, it helps the ECU optimize performance, which is crucial for tasks like lifting and digging. So therefore, the boost pressure sensor is important in heavy machinery. So now I will talk about some common issues and troubleshoot. If your machinery is experiencing of power loss or excessive fuel consumptions or engine check light, so boost pressure sensor might be creating the problems. By using the scan tool, or error code can pinpoint your issue. And that wraps up my overview on boost pressure sensor in heavy construction machinery. If you found this video helpful, give it thumb up, subscribe to channel, and hit notification bell for more insights into construction machinery maintenance. Thanks for watching. See you next video.